The 24 consonant phonemes used in English, from if to er. Here we are to learn the name of the phoneme this and the symbol used to represent it. This symbol represents the phoneme in. The name of this phoneme is in. It is a voiced nasal phoneme. As there is no letter in English to represent this phoneme, I have done it using my tongue. Note, consonant phonemes would take place either the initial position, final position of the syllable at the initial position. Name, in a name, name. Net, in a it net. Neat, in e ni it neat. Nine, in I nine in nine. Nac, in au is notes. N in u nu in noon. None, nun homophones. In na in none. Nurse in na is nurse. At the end of the position, at the end of the syllable, in I mean in ban, if ba in ban, can if ka in can, done it da in done, fan if fa in fa, gun if ga in gun, hen ik ha in hen, an im ma in man, lean la in la, mau in im in moan, pain homophones. If pay in pay, son homophones. Is saw in sun. Letter N represent this phoneme.